Hi everyone, my name is Lilian and I'm the product marketing manager for the Middle East and North Africa region for Facebook and Instagram. Today, I thought I'd take you through the changes that we are seeing in the commerce space and the rapid acceleration of digital first shopping behaviors and ultimately digital businesses. We will also dive into how customers can use Facebook to its full potential so that they can turn desire into demand to drive discovery of their products and services and to ultimately grow their business. The way people shop and discover new products has never felt more exciting, personal, and curated. If we take, for instance, when it's finally time to trade in your old car and the model you've been looking at appears in your Facebook feed, or after a long day working from home, you're craving pizza and Messenger reminds you to use that Uber Eats coupon before it expires. Or maybe you're browsing stories and you see your friend sharing their latest home renovations and you're served an ad from your favorite furniture brand. The options feel endless, yet often just perfectly designed for you. But then, truly curated and personal commerce has been a long time coming, 41 years to be precise, and a few other things have happened along the way. Did you know that 1979 was the year the Sony Walkman was released? It was the same year the term electronic commerce, e-commerce, was coined. 11 years after that, the World Wide Web is invented. If you remember the millennium bug, it was 21 years ago when the world waited to find out what would happen with clocks ticked to 2000. And this isn't even mentioning the host of technological and e-commerce milestones of the past 4 decades. When e-commerce first emerged, it was considered highly experimental. Marketers and people were slow to adopt this new channel. Since then, there has been a slow and steady climb toward e-commerce. And the playbook remained unchanged for 20 years. It's functional, it's utilitarian, it's price-driven, it's measured by transactions. It gets the job done, and the convenience of it has driven more and more people to drive online. In 2020, the pandemic accelerated people across the globe from shopping in store to online, not a surprise to anyone. Recent research by GWI across 18 markets showed that shopping online was the number one activity that people said they wanted to keep after the outbreak. But this shift to online goes way beyond e-commerce. It saw people move all kinds of activities online, including working, socializing, and exercising. We have been forced to change our behaviors, and many of us now plan to keep up these new habits. According to eMarketer, around the world, we will continue to see retail e-commerce sales grow in 2020. For EMEA, this is most notable in Central and Eastern Europe and our own region, Middle East and Africa, where growth is set to outpace many other regions. For businesses and brands, this change in consumer behavior may be daunting, but also offers opportunities to connect in meaningful ways with people. According to Ipsos, helping consumers to change their behavior to help meet their purposeful goals is looking like a key challenge and opportunity for brands. So during COVID, e-commerce has not just been a convenience, but a lifeline for people. It's been reported that 10 years of digital transformation that happened in only a few short months. On screen, you can see the insights from the latest Office of National Statistics report in the UK, published in June. It took 10 years to increase internet sales by 13% from 7 to 20 in total, while during this year, the same has been achieved in only 5 short months. The change itself was not unexpected, but the pace of the change is drastic, and nobody could have anticipated it. Businesses who are winning in today's market recognized a long time ago that to drive desire and fresh demand means shifting to digital and embracing disruption. Take Yves Rocher. This global cosmetics and beauty business has worked for over 18 months to shift from brick and mortar to online. This was no small feat and involved fundamental shifts in how the business operated. Since April, they've been up to 10 times the growth in some markets for online across global websites because they were prepared. Discovery commerce-minded businesses share 3 common practices. They practice data-driven marketing, rooting their approach in a quantitative view of customers' motivations, preferences, and behaviors, They create customer-centric experiences that meet customers where they are. And third, they organize their teams for agility, which includes structuring teams to communicate efficiently and empowering those teams to use data to make decisions that best serve customers. But we all know that your practices alone cannot drive business results. You need to apply those practices to the right tools to help you get there. Even before people stopped feeling comfortable spending time in stores, people were turning to online platforms to browse and find inspiration. And this trend has only been accelerated by the recent lockdown. Businesses embracing discovery commerce recognize that the consumer journey starts well before intent. These businesses obsess over the customer journey and its many paths to purchase. And they understand that while meeting demand is still critical, it is now vital to create demand through discovery. They have been investing in a more modern kind of marketing, something that we at Facebook call discovery commerce. Discovery commerce is fueled by machine learning and the adoption of broad audiences strategies. Combining these allows our platforms to find new audiences previously considered out of market for many businesses. We see this all the time with businesses on social. As you can see here, they both have adopted smart ways to reach new customers to serve them with dynamic creative, and all at the right time, resulting in growth and campaign success. Moreover, we are hearing about traditional businesses leaning into digital, like Carrefour on the slide here. During the pandemic, Carrefour quickly pivoted from a physical to a digital catalog on our platforms. This allowed this iconic French retailer to stay close to its customers and drive growth for their business at this crucial time. Put simply, we explain discovery commerce as enabling businesses to go one step further than they can with any other marketing. It is not just about meeting customers' needs, but anticipating them. E-commerce is about search and purchasing through a site, which means that people are limited to finding the products they already know about or want. But with discovery commerce, products find people. So they discover the things that they are most likely to love. In the early days of social media, we weren't used to relevant content finding us. Today, it is the expectation. The engine behind discovery commerce is made up of a system of 4 vital elements. The system is designed to help you give your customers what they need and grow your business now and in the future. It begins with rich data. Understand how people are interacting with your business. Sophisticated advertising tools put data to work, helping your product find the right people. Engaging shopping experiences, making it faster and easier for people to buy. And like everything we do at Facebook, this discovery commerce system, of course, is rooted in privacy and security. And the last element is secure data handling. Protects people's privacies and respectfully uses data to drive personalized marketing. At Facebook, we've always built for people first. We know that no two people's interests and passions are the same, and neither are their experiences on our apps. And over the 14 years we've been building the newsfeed, it's become the world's most advanced discovery engine. With a global community of over 3 billion, this means incredible customer centricity. Every single feed for every single user is unique. It is discovery on a massive scale. Here's how it works. Nobody knows your customers better than you. And so when you share the things you know about them, the system can find more people like them, more of the people who are most likely to want to hear from you. Then, with some help from machine learning, Facebook will show you how your creative assets are likely to be most relevant to the people in those audiences. Following that, with your own digital storefront, people can be easily moved from discovery to purchase. They're already engaging with your product in a place where they love spending time, so there's minimal friction. And as more and more insights are gathered, the system becomes better and better at creating demand and helping you grow your business. The information collected from these people's actions can help you reach even more customers. It's this continuously improving system that makes Facebook the home of discovery commerce. But like so many things, what you get out of the system depends in large part on what you put in. For state-of-the-art marketing that anticipates your customers' needs and shows them the product most likely to satisfy them, it's vital to start with the right inputs. Example, creative. You need to study the customer's motivation and use the findings to build diverse sets of creative that can work across the consumer journey. Data. Explore a wide range of data signals that will lead to a more sophisticated understanding of customers' needs. Measurement and behavior. Align your measurement with the business goals in order to track your return on investment. And use this data to shift in real time to align with consumer behavior. And finally, partners. It's very important to leverage our badged Facebook marketing partners. They help bring expertise and technology to your teams. I'm going to now share an overview of the commerce solutions at Facebook. As we invest in commerce, our goal is to create better shopping experiences for people and address what modern businesses need today. Facebook Shops, discovery through shoppable content, shopping destinations, messaging, and seamless transactions. It all starts by establishing your storefront. Facebook Shops is the biggest step we've taken yet to enable commerce across Facebook's apps. Shops makes it easier for businesses to set up their digital storefront and sell things online. One shopping experience across Facebook apps. Any changes you make to a shared collection in your shop go live across all apps. Today, customers can message a business through WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram Direct to ask questions, get support, track deliveries, ask about price, and more. And in the future, customers will be able to view a business's shop and make purchases right within a chat in WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram Direct. We can now help businesses drive discovery of products through shoppable content. We're making it easier for new customers to discover your products where they're already spending their time, whether they're browsing for inspiration or have an idea of what product they're looking for. It is possible to make your content shoppable and actionable with shopping tags on Instagram, and businesses can use these shopping tags to highlight products from their catalogs in stories, in feed, or in copy, so people can learn more and easily take action. We are also in early days of exploring product tags within live shopping, shopping from creators and product drops, and all of these are currently in the US. Similar to Instagram, businesses can also use shopping tags on Facebook to highlight products from their catalogs in news feeds so people can learn more and easily take action. We also recently introduced our newest advertising product available to shopping businesses, ads with product tags and 2 new shopping engagement audiences. Ads with product tags maximize the reach of your product, sending users directly to the product detail page. This enables users to more quickly discover readily available info because they can see the price, the sale price, product name, description, and more. This is a case study from Hollister. What they wanted is to test whether showing these shoppable ads to the newly available shopping lookalike audiences would be effective. So what they did is they compared running ads with product tags that targeted shopping lookalike audiences versus targeting their business as usual prospecting audiences. And they found that shopping lookalike audiences were very effective, as you can see from the numbers here. With our shopping destinations currently testing in the US, we're making it easier for new customers to discover the client's products where they're already browsing and shopping. There's a little bit of, similar terms here. Facebook Shop is a new independent destination on Facebook for daily shopping inspiration through shops. To repeat, businesses have their own shop, but then there's also a destination called Facebook Shop. Our vision is for this to be a place to connect consumers to the brands and products through content that leans into the reasons people come to Facebook. User-generated content, recommendations from groups, live shopping, personalized discovery, and all is done in a convenient, secure place where they can buy with confidence. We also recently launched Instagram Shop, so Facebook Shop. So we have shops, and then we have Facebook Shop, which is a destination, and also Instagram Shop, which is another destination. And it's a new way to discover and buy products that people love in Instagram Explore. Globally, Instagram Shop features personalized recommendations to people based on the accounts they already follow and businesses that they follow and that are currently using Instagram shopping. So, we also have the Ad Shop page. It's an account created by our Instagram team that celebrates emerging businesses and the creators behind them. Any Instagram merchant who has created a shop has potential for distribution there. Last up, we are making it possible to drive consideration with seamless messaging integration. What you can expect in terms of what's coming soon, our customers will be able to browse Facebook Shops and they will be able to message a business through WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram Direct, and they can ask questions, get support, track deliveries, and more. So that's coming soon. Today, businesses and people can share rich shop links in a conversation thread when discussing a particular product to help drive awareness and consideration. And a reminder that it's important to keep customers safe and ensure a positive shopping experience. It is our top priority. So products sold on Facebook and Instagram must comply with our commerce policies and each app's respective community guidelines and standards. I'd like to wrap this up by sharing this quote from our EMEA VP, Nicola Mendelson. Businesses are realizing that with today's technology, they don't need to waste time waiting for people to find their products. Let your products find your customers for you. That is true discovery. Thank you for your time.